Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Moringa powder, updated. Mix 1 teaspoon into smoothies, teas, or yogurt as a daily nutrient boost. Avoid cooking at high heat to preserve vitamins. Start with a small dose and increase gradually if tolerated. Store powder in a cool, dark place and label the date. Listen for taste tips and simple recipes that fit busy mornings and travel. Moringa mixes well into many everyday recipes and can brighten flavors with citrus or ginger. I'll demonstrate 5 quick pairings that work for breakfast, lunch, and snacks, and show how to add Moringa without overpowering a recipe. You will learn easy swaps for coffee or tea and see how to layer flavors with greens and fruit for a pleasant, nutritious boost you can use every day. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support the channel and more easy guides. Quick recommendation. Socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, which pairs nicely with outdoor wellness routines and early morning walks. Check the description for the link and other deals I mentioned, and thanks for your support. Now let's get back to the video. Dose and safety matter when adding Moringa to your routine, so I'll cover sensible starting amounts and signs of sensitivity to watch for. Learn when to pause use and seek medical advice, and how to evaluate product quality by reading labels and avoiding fillers. I'll also explain simple timing tips, such as taking Moringa with food to reduce stomach upset and how to track effects over 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.